So we're getting a late start to the day. I had doctor's appointments and other stuff to do today, but we are continuing the West Texas fishing tour. So today we're gonna go to, actually, let me start over. I've got great news. I contacted Texas Wildlife Department this morning, and I am allowed to kill those carp. They are an invasive species, and they are ruining the Texas waters. So they are that common carp. Anyways, so we're gonna do something fun today. So I wanna shoot one and kill one with the pellet gun, and I wanna shoot one and kill one with the arrow. So I would kill a whole bunch of them. The problem is, what do I do with a bunch of carp carcasses? I Googled it, you can eat them. In fact, in Asia and Europe, they're actually like a fine cuisine, like a very fine meat. In America, we don't eat them. But there's some recipes on there for smoking. I do like to smoke meat. Smoking meat is one of my passions. However, after having smelled those carp, I don't want to eat one ever again. I don't want to touch them. They're absolutely disgusting. They smell so bad. They're slimy and bloody and gross. Ugh. So I am not going to eat them. What I am going to do is, this is another suggestion that I found on the intranet, is to bury them. So I'm just going to catch 2 of them, kill 2 of them, just because it sounds like a good time. And then I'm going to take them home and bury them in my backyard and hope that my bulldogs do not dig them up and eat them. That would not be good. No bueno there. All right, so we're off to Academy right now. Let go! All right, y'all, here's what we're working with. Here's what we're fishing with today. We picked up the, what's this? The Kingfisher bow fishing kit from Academy. So I think it was 150 bucks. We're gonna unpackage it right now and get it all put together. But I also brought my old Gammo, what's it called? The Wildcat Whisperer. Yeah, the Wildcat Whisperer pellet gun. So it shoots these .177 pellets, and it shoots them at 1,300 feet per second. So it's meant for killing squirrels and little varmints. So I think we could, we'll see. I think we can kill a carp with that thing. It's all rusted. Basically, I use this to sit on my back porch to shoot at birds and to let my son shoot cans. So let's get this this bow out and put together, see how it looks. All right, we are loaded up for day 2 of the West Texas fishing tour. And this may look familiar. This is where I caught the 2 carp. This is that lake. So the goal this week is to go to not get skunked all 5 days and all 5 lakes. No skunks. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that real quick, and I'm gonna go and bow fish some carp. So we're gonna use the bow fish, and I'm gonna use my pellet gun, and I'm gonna try and knock down a few old carp so we can get the monkey off the back right away, because I only have a few hours of fish today. All right, I'm already out here. They're not swimming around as aggressively as they were before. We're gonna use the bow first. It looks like the carp party's over. I saw one over here. This is where all of them were. I don't see any more. Right there. Right there. Oh, where'd he go? 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 Scare him right now. Too high. I gotta aim lower. There he is. God dang it. Well, that's a bummer. That's okay. I need to practice the bow anyways. That thing was That was not accurate at all. I was just hoping that I would knock me down a good old carp real quick. So now I just need to worry about not getting skunked. So I'm gonna put the bow up, get the poles out, drop some lines.
A few moments later.
Well, that was ridiculous. Alright, I'm fighting time now. I'm getting skunked. About time to go. I'm getting skunked. I haven't caught anything yet. My first guy here, guy caught 2 crappies, so I'm just gonna come back right where he was and see if I can catch me some crappie real quick. Just one, just need one so I don't get skunked. That's all I'm asking for.